Hi, my name is Corey Moore, CEO and founder of J&M Jewelry. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about how we can help you sell more insurance to your customers. We have been working with all the large insurance agencies and even the smaller independent and mom and pop agencies all across the state of Texas for over the last 10 years. Our goal was simple. We wanted to provide easy, convenient, and affordable appraisals for insurance companies to offer directly to their customers. In turn, this allows the insurance company to offer this service so that they can sell more insurance and cover the third most valuable item their customers own, which is jewelry. In this case, we want to develop a relationship with your agency to provide you with appraisals, with any type of claim replacements or other services that may be related to your customers' jewelries. With that being said, our most premier service and the service that we get the best reaction from is our on-site appraisals. We developed a system where we provide an on-site appraisal in front of the customer at their place of business or at their home or at any of our available locations. We inspect the jewelry articles in front of the customer. The jewelry never leaves the customer's possession. We gather all the details, get the description, take photographs, and we put the appraisal together in a PDF format away from our original appointment time. This way, the service is very convenient, quick, secure, and affordable for the customer. When the appraisal is completed, we send that directly to the customer in a PDF version in an email so that they have a paper trail and they don't have to worry about losing that appraisal in the future. This is just one of the great services that we offer directly to your agency, and we are currently servicing all of the state of Texas. So we invite you to click on our website or give us a call today to learn more about the services that we offer or have us directly schedule those services with your customers directly. Again, my name is Corey Moore with J&M Jewelry, and we're here to work with your agency and allow you to sell more insurance for the jewelry articles that your customers are owning. Thank you and have a great day.